What's the meaning of Columbia Pictures? Columbia Pictures. Columbia Pictures.
Columbia Pictures. Columbia Pictures. Columbia Pictures is an American film production and distribution company. It was founded in 1918 and is currently a subsidiary of Sony Pictures Entertainment. The company has produced and distributed a wide variety of films, including blockbusters such as the Spider-Man franchise, Men in Black, and Ghostbusters. The name Columbia comes from the personification of America that was popular in the 18th century. The image of Columbia, a woman dressed in the stars and stripes of the American flag, became a symbol of freedom and democracy.